Not everyone knows what it's like when the alarm goes out. Not everyone knows the rush of gearing up, jumping in the truck, and getting to the call. You need tools that can hold up against the toughest job and work as hard as you do. Tools that can truly handle the heat so you can make it home safely and continue to protect your community. You need Warrior. Snap-tite has the tool you need to help you and your team make it home safely. That's why we designed our Snap-tite Hose Warrior. We want to maximize survivability in the case of the unexpected. With a proprietary double jacket and nitrile rubber liner, the Warrior is built to last in extreme environments. Capable of withstanding more than 15 minutes of conductive and radiant heat testing and over 30 minutes in live burns, it's the toughest tool on the market. We've all had close calls when the hose burns through and the water stops flowing. This hose flows water easily, packs and deploys well, and doesn't kink with low-pressure nozzles. The Warrior outlasts the competition by minutes. These extra minutes matter and can be the difference between a safe exit and a tragedy. The Warrior easily transports from the truck to the fire without kinks to keep life-saving water running when minutes matter. That's why firefighters trust the Warrior to get the job done. Contact us today to learn more.